With the wind roaring past them, the Marco is steering his body with surgical precision, guiding himself to the drop point, and there, landing with utmost precision.
मार्कोस कौशल के साथ ड्रॉप जोन पर उतरते हुए साहस और कौशल के इस उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन के लिए नौसेना के मरीन कमांडोज का जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें।
Meet the elite warriors, the Marcos, approaching on the stage right in front of you. The Marcos are the only special force in India specialized to operate in all three domains: air, land, and water.
बहादुर मार्कोस मंच पर माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया को स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट करने को कूच कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, we wish to draw your attention slightly towards the left of the main stage, where the Indian Navy's clearance divers, led by Lieutenant Dore Manjunath, are approaching their target, a simulated offshore oil rig, a vital economic asset of the enemy.
अब आपकी बाईं ओर नौसेना के क्लियरेंस डाइविंग टीम के कॉम्बैट गोताखोर जेमिनी पर सवार होकर ऑयल रिग पर विस्फोटक पदार्थ लगाने को आगे बढ़ते हुए।
There, to the left of the main stage, you can see the combat divers approaching the beach for an assault demonstration.
मंच की बाईं ओर कमांडोज दुश्मन से घिरे तट पर बीच असॉल्ट का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see two formidable combat divers running towards the stage, clad in state-of-the-art rebreather sets and carrying a diver propulsion vehicle. They embody stealth and the lethality of underwater special ops. Divers donning similar attire are now placing mines on the oil rig, using these very equipment. These equipment are used by the divers in the conduct of clandestine operations. These combat divers once wreaked havoc in the ports of Chittagong, Mongla, Chandpur, and Narayanganj, where they sunk over 100,000 tons of enemy shipping, crippling the enemy's ability to sustain their war effort and reshaping the course of the 1971 war.
कॉम्बैट डाइवर्स विस्फोटक पदार्थ लगाने के पश्चात नारंगी मशाल से सीकिंग हेलीकॉप्टर को एक्सट्रैक्शन के लिए संकेत दे रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now witness a quick exfiltration, that is, picking up own troops by the seeking helicopter. Speed, surprise, and stealth are the core requirements for success in any special operation.
कमांडोज हेलीकॉप्टर से निलंबित रस्सी को हुक के माध्यम से जोड़कर हेलीकॉप्टर संग उड़ जाएंगे। आपको देखने में यह विहंगम दृश्य मिल रहा होगा, परंतु तेज हवा, पानी की बौछार और विमान की उच्च गति के कारण हेलीकॉप्टर से लटकना काफी मुश्किल और जोखिम भरा है।
Very soon, you will witness our underwater warriors Rohit Agniveer CD and Hrishikesh C1 CD being extracted. There, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that our warriors have been successfully extracted and are now being flown to a safer location.
स्टाई स्मॉल टीम इंसर्शन और एक्सट्रैक्शन वह साधन है जिसके द्वारा ऑपरेशन पूरा होने पर कमांडो को तेजी और सुरक्षित रूप से लड़ाई के क्षेत्र से निकाला जाता है.
Drawing your attention again to the oil rig where the team of divers have set up the charges. Hold your breath and witness the effect. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it. Our underwater warriors have successfully destroyed the enemy oil rig.
कमांडोज ने सफलतापूर्वक ऑयल रिग को नष्ट कर दिया है.
Look towards the horizon, just above the oil rig. We will now shortly see the Hawk maneuver with pride. To explain it best, I hand over the mic to one of our seasoned Hawk pilots.
Ladies and gentlemen, try and spot the two birds to the right of the oil rig across the horizon, carving their way in from the left, dragging a thunderstorm of sound across the sky. Before you will be the phantoms of Indian Naval Air Squadron 551, flying the Hawk Mark 132, the advanced jet trainers that forge young men and women into frontline fighter pilots. On to your left, approaching the dais now. Leading the Scorpion formation, Commander Shyam Sagar and Commander Deepak Somnath. With his wingmen, Commander Mohit Sharma and Commander Ajay Singh, locked into a combat-tight formation. Hold your breath and do not dare to blink as the two Hawks unleash a display of low-level tactical maneuvering that will stretch the very edge of human reflexes. Skimming just 400 feet above the sea and at over 400 knots, experiencing 5 Gs, these tactical maneuvers form the essence for strike missions and providing cross covers. Ladies and gentlemen, look out for the next maneuver, rotate, in which both fighters shall turn inwards into each other in close proximity. The Scorpion formation approaching the dais in a hard turn as the Scorpion leader peels off to the left for the next maneuver, rotate. As you can see, the Hawks are opening out. Let's hear them out. Watch closely as they turn inwards at 400 knots and in close proximity. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't afford to blink as the Scorpion formation will cross right over each other in the next maneuver, Shackle.
Scorpion, Shackle.
Feel the fighter spirit as it tears through the air with the passion that fuels them, the aggression that drives them, and the courage that hardens their resolve. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Scorpions.
Ladies and gentlemen, look far ahead, towards your left. There she is, the beating heart of India's naval air power, the iconic INS Vikrant, India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier.
केरल की धरती कोचिन शिपयार्ड में निर्मित देश का पहला विमान वाहक पोत आईएनएस विक्रांत स्वदेशी तकनीकी उन्नति और आत्मनिर्भरता का प्रतीक है. आईएनएस विक्रांत वर्तमान में न केवल एक युद्धपोत है, अन्यथा इसका अस्तित्व यह घोषणा करता है कि भारतीय नौसेना तैयार है. भारत के समुद्री हवाई क्षेत्र सुरक्षित हैं और भारत के समुद्री भूभाग हमारी सुरक्षा में हैं। हाल ही में विक्रांत से संचालित चेतक हेलीकॉप्टरों ने साइक्लोन दितवा में बचाव और राहत का कार्य किया।
And there the MiG-29 has taken off.